To make sure that the power rear door is enabled using the arrows on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, navigate the multi-informational display to get to the settings menu. Press the down arrow to vehicle settings and select. Then select power back door. Make sure that the power rear door is on and also that the kick sensor is enabled. Now that you're ready with the key on your person, put your foot by the lower center part of the rear bumper and move it away. Here is a close-up so you can see that the lights flash, and as you step back, the rear door opens. To close, simply repeat the same motion and step away, and you're all set. Thank you for watching. If you still have more questions or if you'd like to know more about the features, please come visit us or give us a call at 954-443-2020 or just visit our website at www.lexusofpembrokepines.com.